require direct human intervention. A bot interaction can be a quick question and answer, or it can be a sophisticated conversation that intelligently provides access to services. Azure DevOps Services provides development and collaboration tools, including Azure Repos, Azure Pipelines, Azure Boards, Azure Test Plans, and Azure Artifacts. GitHub provides hosting for software development and version control using Git. It provides access control and several collaboration features, including bug tracking, feature requests, task management, and wikis for every project. And then we also have GitHub Actions for Azure. It's automation tools to build workflows from GitHub to Azure automatically, using an open source version of DevOps repository. It makes it easy to automate all your software workflows, build, test, and deploy your code right from GitHub. And then we have Azure Dev Test Labs, which allow you to quickly create development and test stages using reusable templates. You can use pre-created images, minimize waste with quotas and policies, and minimize costs by using automatic shutdown. Starting with Azure Management Tools. We were in the portal before where I gave you that demonstration. We also have PowerShell, which we've used a few times. We've got the mobile app, command line interface, REST APIs, and Cloud Shell. Azure Powershell is a set of commandlets that allow you to manage Azure resources directly from the PowerShell command. CLI is a cross-platform command line program that connects Azure and executes administrative commands on Azure resources. Azure Cloud Shell is that browser-based scripting environment in the Azure portal that we've used before. It provides flexibility by allowing you to choose your preferred shell experience. Linux users can opt for Bash, and Windows users can opt for PowerShell. And then we have the mobile app. You can diagnose and fix issues quickly, run commands to manage your Azure resources, and you can also run ad hoc Azure CLI or PowerShell commands straight from the mobile app. Azure Resource Manager allows the automatic creation of resources using different automation and scripting tools such as Azure PowerShell, CLI, the portal, REST APIs, and client software development kits. Azure Resource Manager. I showed you in the portal when there was ways of saving that template. Those are called ARM templates, and they allow that automatic deployment and configuration of resources quickly, consistently, and fast. If your company had several business units that required 10 resources of the same type, you would use Azure Resource Manager templates to create this. That would ensure you have consistent deployment across your environment. So I'm back in the portal and I'm going to create a VM using PowerShell. If you recall, Cloud Shell will take me into that browser environment, so I'm going to click there. And since it's the first time I'm launching PowerShell, I have to set up storage. It says I have no storage mounted. So I'm going to go find an account I can build my storage to. And I've been using HR Test. Go ahead and create storage. So I'm creating a storage account where I can store my code. There we go. Just going to move it up so we can see a little bit better. So I've requested a Cloud Shell environment. It's succeeded. It's connecting to the terminal now. So I want to make sure I'm using PowerShell in the top left here. So I'm going to switch to PowerShell. It's warning me I'm switching. I'm going to confirm I'm switching. And it's connecting me again, as you can see. Okay, when you see this, you know it's ready to go. I'm going to place in some code I have ready, and it's going to create a new resource group, name the resource group, and pick the location, which is East US. So there it is, my resource group name and my location. It's succeeded, as you can see. So I'm going to verify that that resource group was created. Paste that code here, and what am I looking for? So it's get resource group. I want to make sure I can see that resource group created. As you can see from the table, it's showing me what resource groups I have created in this description, and you can see the one we've just created at the very bottom. I'm going to go ahead and paste some code I have ready to create that VM. Pasting it here. You can see it's called new AZVM. My resource group, location, subnet security, etc.